Yes.
And good news. We've
saved the toilet paper.
Listen. Welcome to our Flip It Forward project. We are back for yet another walkthrough. I am so blessed to be here again with my very good friend, Adria Merritt from Ace My Space. Kristen Eudy, can I give you a hug? Yes.
Hug.
All right, thank you. You look amazing and fabulous, and I'm feeling, yes, you're always phenomenal. Cannot thank you enough for your expertise and your architecture skills. I'm so excited to take you out through this project today. I know you wanted to come get eyes on it, make sure that we're honoring all the work that we've done here together. So it's gonna be a really fun walkthrough today. It's super cold. You're gonna see us shivering a little bit, I think. But let's get started. Just watch out for these death trap things here. You know, they'll just poke an eye out or catch your fabulousness. All right, let's do it, shall we? Window World is donating all the windows, all the exterior doors, all the soffits, all the gutters.
Wow.
Apex Roofing is doing the roof for free.
Incredible. That's amazing.
Your amazing framer and drywaller and insulator is like donating essentially $10,000 in labor.
Wow.
We have free countertops from my countertop company.
Free countertops.
From where?
That's like $10,000.
Legacy. I've been
Wow.
working with them for a lot of years. So.
Wow.
Legacy Countertops.
Legacy Countertops.
Oh, that's fantastic.
At cost, all the cabinets are coming at cost. Everybody's just been awesome.
That's
A
fantastic.
ton of people on board.
Yes. And thank you for generously donating your fabulous architect services. Thank you for your generous donation of your time and talent. I'm just glad that you can walk here in your fabulous shoes now without stepping on all of the debris and all the...
video.
So this is about where the entry to the bedroom will be now.
Okay.
And the primary bath starts a little bit inside of here.
So we're waiting for the city of Tucker to come out and confirm that we put the rebar in?
Yep. They want to make sure the
Oh.
dimensions are correct.
Okay.
It's dug deep enough, the dimensions, and that the rebar is in there. And as soon as that happens, we're off to the races. They're going to have this thing framed within a few days after that.
I feel like we're these projects, you hurry up and wait, right? Hurry up and wait. And we're not waiting on you guys. You're right. It's not waiting on our side for sure.
It's the hoops.
The hoops we jump through.
It's the hoops.
It's amazing. I love that the kitchen's going to be back here. I mean, if you think this whole wall is going to be gone, I know it's hard to imagine,
From
but
about,
it's temporary, right?
Like here-ish, all the way to the corner, this whole wall's gone. From the peak down, that whole roof is being redone.
Okay. There was a question about elevation.
Yes.
So you're thinking where the city's gonna,
They're going to require 4 sides, I believe. And I've already got it modeled so that it should be, I'll be able to, just do it pretty quickly.
flip it, yeah.
I know. Let's go back inside. Can we go out of?
You can't tell.
See
You
what
think
you
it's,
needed to see for
you think it's 80 degrees out here, but really it's 20.
Pull up the drawing, just as, see, I am still showing pantry there.
Running plumbing up in that wall, we're going to have to double that wall full time. It's been part of the structure, but they said because that we're closing it in now, we need paper setback proof and all that kind of stuff on file, so we had to have a survey done.
Yeah.
So next up is, because we're soon to get out of permit jail.
Oh, we are.
It's like literally could happen today.
Oh.
And then what? Then what's next?
Okay. So just as soon as the inspector comes and checks the trench that we've dug for the footer for the exterior wall of the new kitchen, we'll be off to the races. First up is going to be tearing the back half of the roof off the house so that we can change the roof line to incorporate the height of the porch turning into an actual living space. It's got to go up a foot and some change.
John will appreciate that.
The roof will be put on so that we're not in here shoveling snow in a snowstorm. And then once they get it framed, I've got all my trades coming in, electrical, plumbing, HVAC. Will all be done within a week or so, a week and a half.
That's incredible.
Gosh.
So I'm thinking in the next 2 weeks, we're ready to close it up and start working on the inside.
I have a cool pair of steel toe shoes
Yeah.
at home.
I love it.
I'll wear those next
Okay.
time.
Yeah. See, this is what happens on job sites where women are involved. I'm sure all your guys are talking about what shoes they're wearing when they show up. But today, this is a fashion forward, flip it forward project. I'm so glad you're here, and I can't wait to keep you updated on. Stay tuned for the next fashion forward, flip it forward edition.